Hey everyone, out here on an afternoon after work at one of my favorite fishing holes. We're going to try for crappie and some bass and who knows what else will hit out here. So stay tuned, let me get rigged up and get set, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Oh, fish on. Oh, this is a nice one. I think it's a nice crappie. Yes. Keep them out of these weeds here and this tumbleweed in front of me. The tumbleweeds are blown into the water. Oh, he ate the grub too. There you go. Beautiful fish. And this with my eyesight, without a pair of glasses, is going to be a trick. If the sun's bright enough, I can usually do it. Guys, always remember to wet your line when you're using monofilament. When you're tying it up. It gets very hot when you cinch it down, and by wetting it, keeps it cool. It makes the knot stronger. The heat weakens the knot, so I don't see any spawning beds though for the bass or the crappie in here, so they may be doing it deeper or they haven't done it yet. I'm pretty sure they have. Here goes another crappie. This is crappie number 5, I think. Well, maybe it's 4. Yeah, number 4. Fish number 5. A little smaller than the other ones though, but still a nice one. Out here, hadn't been out here in a while. I think this one's a bass. Oh, yeah, they're active and they're jumping out of the water like that. Well, lost another grub. Oh no, I didn't. I still have it. Another little one, guys, but it's a fish. That fish buried itself in the mud. I had to get it out with my... Oh, we got a good one on. I had to get it out with my rod. Not sure where. Oh, there he is. Oh, I thought it was a good one. A little bit bigger bass. That's fish number 7. I'm not sure what time I got here, but I think I've only been fishing about 15 minutes. So now this one's a little bit bigger. Beautiful little bass though. He can get bigger. Fish on. I think this one's a crappie. There are some hybrid sunfish in here, but I've only seen one. And I had it on and he got off. And, oh, this one's a nice crappie. But that's the only one. There used to be a lot of them in here, running about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Oh, look how dark this one is. This one's a nice crappie. Let's take a look at this one, guys, because this one's a nice fish. That's a nice, man, look at the dark colors on him. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, that's 5 crappie and 3 bass. Not a bad start to the afternoon, and I got another one on here. And I think this one's a crappie also. Oh, this one's a bass. Oh, I lost it. That was a bass. He was really staying down there. That's why I thought it was a crappie. Oh, here we go. Feisty little bass. Well, that's another one. Very little, but I'll take it. Oh, here we go. Oh, right into the weeds. And I lost him. And all I got is that. Oh, fish on. I haven't seen what it is yet. Feels like a bass. Yep. That's 5 bass and 5 crappie, I think. Whoa, man. Hit that like a freight train. And it's just a little one. Good night. Oh, I lost it. Fish on. It's a bass. If I can land it. It's another one, guys. All right, I tied something on here that I have never caught a bass on. And that is a jig. So I have a kind of a pumpkin seed colored jig head here with a kind of a crawl deal on it on the back. So let's see what happens. I have just never caught anything on one. I guess I just haven't fished it enough. And I would love to catch one just to say I did. Oh, had a hit. All right, we got one on now. Finally. Finally. And that little puppy wasn't going anywhere because yeah. Ah, here we go. Sped up my retrieve a little bit, and that made the difference. Somewhere there's bigger ones in there. Fish on, finally. Finally. Looks like a crappie. Yeah, big old slab. Okay, there we go, guys. Nice crappie. Nice, nice, nice. Fish on. Little grub made all the difference there. Oh, I lost it. Ah. Oh, here we go. And we got that beast again. Yeah, it is. Well, let's see if we can land him this time. Oh, that's not him, I don't think. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, guys, nice crappie. Look at the black line on him. But I don't know if this is the one I caught before because I don't see any hook marks. The other one was bigger, but I got another one. Do I have one? No. Oh, do now. Do now. I stopped retrieving and man, he hit it. This is the biggest one of the day here, fellas. Yeah, biggest one of the day. On a spinnerbait. Cool. That was a weird hit because I stopped the retrieve and that's when he smacked it. Oh, got another one. Oh, this one's a nice one. This is a nice one. Well, nicer than I had. It's a nicest one of the day. Yeah, there we go. Cool. And there he goes. Well, all of a sudden this spinnerbait's producing. Ah. Boy, that no sooner hit the water than I got him. Ah, I lost it. Ah, here we go. Feels like a pretty solid one. But he's not. But he sure, for that size fish, he sure hit hard. I got a hit and got a fish. Now this one could be a crappie. Yes. Yes. It's a nice one. Don't jump. That popped right out. And I just lost it. And there he is. A little dirty, but another nice one. Okay. What do we got? Something's on here, of course. It's a fish, but what kind? I think it's a crappie, and it's a monster. Well, not as big as I thought, but a nice way to end the day with a fish I wanted to target. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up, head home. We did really good here today. Caught a bunch of crappie. I don't know, 8, 9, 10, somewhere in there. Lost probably that many. And then caught 20 to 25 bass. Nothing too big. The biggest one was about a pound, but it was a good time out here. Enjoyable afternoon. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you the next time, and happy fishing.